guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the Play by Sephora box. This is a new subscription service. I don't know how long it's been around for, but I just got my hands on it and it does retail for $10 a month. You get 5 sample size products with like tutorials in here, makeup bags, like the works apparently in this. And I haven't really given too much like look into it. My friend just said, hey, you should really try this out. I think you'd like it. So yeah, let's just go ahead and dive on into this together. Alright, first off, like, seriously, like, just look how messed up my box look. Like, for real, like, my box came in, like, look at that. I did not do that at all. That is how it was delivered to me. So I don't know if it was, like, what they did, but, like, look at the cracks. Like, look at the little cracks right here, how destroyed that whole area is. Like, this box looks like shit, and that was how it was delivered in my mailbox. So, thank you. But about this product or this box, it is a monthly subscription that you pay $10 a month for. You get 5 travel size makeup, skincare, and hair samples from top brands, plus a beauty bonus worth up to $65. You get a Play Pass, which is redeemable in store or online with any purchase of 50 bonus insider points that can be used to get even more samples. You get a reusable, recyclable makeup bag. You get a playbook with tips, tricks, and how-tos about each samples, and then exclusive access to videos on how-tos and tutorials about how to use each product in your box. So that's actually really cool. I've never like done this one before. I've done like Ipsy and stuff like that, and I hated that, but we'll see how this goes. I believe there is like other renditions of this. I think there's like a luxe edition that they have. I don't even know how much that costs. And I wanted to start off with the $10 one a month because I wanted to see if it was actually really worth it. So let's go ahead and dig into my open box pretty much. Alright, so digging into this, we see the February edition box. It says Play 50 Insider Beauty Points with like this little like pamphlet. Oh, it's like a, ooh, that's kind of cool. It's like a love potion map and it tells you everything that you get in here. We have the reusable makeup bag. That's kind of cool. I mean, it has like, I guess they can like seal and stuff like that together, but inside we have the fresh rose face mask infused with real rose petals, hydrates, and tones. And on this little map, it says, like it literally does have like, I don't know if you guys can even see it, but this is it right here, and it actually tells you about the product. It's a toning and hydration gel mask that visibly restores skin radiance and supplies. It says how to use. Apply a quarter size amount to cleanse skin and leave on for 10 minutes, then rinse. That's actually really cool. Oh, look at this little, look at that little guy. That's like how it looks. And it smells like heaven. It smells like heaven. That is amazing. I'm excited to give that product a go. The next product that I received is Claudel's Cream Sorbet Hydrant. It's a moisturizing sorbet. And on here, it is a super light gel cream that hydrates and calms skin. Apply a dime size amount morning and night to face and neck. That is really exciting. I do believe, it smells good. I do believe what I read about this box is that it only will give you products that sells inside Sephora. So you know, like with Ipsy and like Birchbox and all that type of stuff, you got like random products from companies you never even heard of. Or when it comes to Sephora, it literally only gives you stuff that's sold inside Sephora, which I think is amazing because I love Sephora. Like, I'm there all the time and I know a lot of the products. I wanted to give it a go, try it out, and I wasn't sure if I wanted to spend like, you know, the $50, $60 trying this out, and the fact that I'm getting little samples of it for $10 and I get to give it like a chance to see if I like it, that to me is amazing. This product we got is the little Stella McCartney perfume right here. It's like a little sample size. Yep. That smells amazing. And this little guy right here, the Stella McCartney, this is this month's bonus, is what it's saying in a little map right here. This is a bonus. I really like this like little guide map that it gives you. Like, I think that's actually really cool. The next thing we got is a Blur Stick silicone-free matte primer from Milk Cosmetics. This is a cruelty-free, paraben-free, and 100% vegan, and it primes skin and blurs pores for a smooth matte finish that prolongs the wear of makeup. That's really awesome. Let's see. Oh, I've never tried anything from Milk Cosmetics. I know a lot of my friends rave about their products. I definitely want to give that a go. For the next product, we have a Wonder Beauty Baggage Claim Gold Eye Mask. And it says, apply to clean, dry under eyes and let sit for 10 minutes. And it's a set of gold eye mask that brightens and hydrates skin. I do like Wonder Beauty. It's actually a good brand. And the last product that I got is from Bite Beauty. And this is a high impact lipstick in a rich plum rose color with a soft creamy texture. Look how like tiny. That's so tiny. Let's put this right here. Cute little plum color. So yeah, that's everything that I got in this box. Like, you know, they're small little like sample sizes, you know, that's what comes with paying $10. But I do love the Love Struck Beauty, like this little like mat that comes with it. And on the back, it like has like little pointers. Like, it tells you about each product. Like, it literally does tell you about each product on here. So it's actually really cool. It's really pretty. And I'm excited to try all these products with a little resealable makeup bag that I can use. The only thing I didn't care for was, you know, the broken box. Like, I don't know what's up with that. But the play card, I think that's awesome. They give you 50 points. I don't even know where my play card is at the moment. Use this card online and bring it into the store and get a free mini facial from a beauty advisor, plus ask for more self-care tips. Just bring this card in store and use the code and get an extra 50 beauty insider points with any purchase. So not only can I bring this card in and get a free mini facial, or I believe I could turn this in for 50 points, but I could probably like what? Buy like a $10 lip gloss there, like, well, let's be realistic, $20 lip gloss there, and then add this to it and get 70 points instead of the 20 points that I originally get with the lip gloss. Like, I think that's amazing, because to build up Sephora like points, you have to spend a lot of money at Sephora, believe me when I say that. Like, at least with Ulta, whenever you build up points, you can use your rewards to redeem for money off your purchases. With Sephora, you can't necessarily, you can, but you can't. Like with Sephora Play Points, you can do, if you take like 500 points off and get like sample sizes, get like little mini goodie bags, or you can save it for big purchases, like, you know, free makeover in New York for like 10,000 points, or I believe it's like every 2,000 points or 2,500 points, you can go into the store and redeem that for a $100 Sephora gift card. So there are cool benefits to it. I do wish their system was more like Ulta. Accumulate your points, you can literally take it off your purchase. Now, I think that's actually a really cool idea that Ulta implements. Maybe one day Sephora will, but the fact that I'm getting 50 extra points just to add onto my purchase, like, this to me is like golden. And all these little cute little sample sizes, I'm really excited to try this out. So this is just a little mini unboxing of the Sephora Play Box. Like I said, I think there is different renditions of it, like looking on their website. There is Play Smarts by Sephora. There's Play Luxe by Sephora. It's a next beauty upgrade, and this one is 6 luxury travel size samples, a surprise special edition beauty bag, a set of collectible cards, a play pass worth of 50 points. I don't really know too much of the difference between the ones. I like just the Play by Sephora. I mean, they're kind of like all like the same price. It doesn't tell you how much the luxury one is or the Play Smart one is. So, I mean, the Play Smart one's on sale for $10 when it's normally $20, but I'd rather just stick with the $10 one for right now, because I do get a, you know, BoxyCharm box every month with 5 full-size products. So yeah, this, you know, definitely reminds me of Ipsy, and hopefully I like it. If not, it's going to be really super easy to cancel. And yeah, I just want to try this out for the first time. So Maddie, if you're watching, I definitely recommend you go give this a go, try it out, because, you know, you said that you wanted to wait to see what I got to see if you wanted to get it. So I really like this box so far. I can't wait to try out all these products. So yeah, guys, that is it for today's video. If you guys like this video, make sure you guys give it a cheeky thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I do post videos twice a week, and I just want to thank you guys for all the love and support. I'm so close to 500 subscribers, and you can bet your ass once I hit 500 subscribers, I'll be doing another giveaway. So stay tuned for that, guys. Thank you guys for all the love and support, and I will see you guys in the very next video. Bye! And on to the next one. Hey guys, oh, I didn't even spray my face, set my makeup. Get 5 sample fives, like 5. Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm gonna be, I should probably, hey guys, what's up and welcome back to today's, no. And then, it costs $10 a month to get like 5 fulls, well, to get 5 sample, no. And I just wanna thank you guys for all the love support. I love you, and I'll I've been waiting to eat this croissant for hours. Alright. Time to go watch The Bachelor. I have not watched The Bachelor in like 2 weeks. I'm behind. I already know who went home. Thanks, Maddie. And yeah. Let's go watch The Bachelor. I'll do all these videos and cleanups later, guys. Peace out.